Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect WordPress to your domain. First, you need to choose a reliable web hosting provider. Many hosts offer specialized WordPress hosting plans. Next, register a unique domain name that perfectly suits your website. Finally, install WordPress on your hosting account. Most providers offer a simple one-click installation process, making this step very straightforward and quick to complete. Once WordPress is installed, the next crucial step is to point your domain to your hosting. You will need to find the specific name server details provided by your web host. Then, log into your domain registrar's account, which is where you purchased your domain name. Locate the DNS management section and update the name servers to those from your hosting provider. This process typically takes a few minutes to propagate. After updating your name servers, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to the Settings menu and click on General. Here, you will see two important fields: WordPress address, URL, and site address, URL. Ensure both of these fields accurately reflect your new domain name. This step is vital for WordPress to correctly recognize and load your website from the new domain. Double-check for any typos. Finally, it is time for verification. Clear your browser's cache and then type your domain name into a new browser tab. Your WordPress website should now load correctly. If you encounter any issues, allow a few more minutes for DNS propagation. As a critical security measure, install an SSL certificate. Many hosts offer free SSL certificates, ensuring your site uses secure HTTPS and builds trust with your visitors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.